Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, you will need a couple of things. First, you will need to have an access to a working computer, and the second thing you need is to have a charging cable that is provided with your Polar Ignite. It looks like this. Once you have both things, we can continue and basically go to your computer, open some kind of web browser. As you can see, I opened the Google Chrome, and in the browser click on search, type in Polar Flow and press enter. Basically, we need to download and install the Polar Flow application on our computer to factory reset our watch. So once you search for the Polar Flow, you should see this page. It's the page that has address with that goes by flow.polar.com. Click on this page to open it, and on this page click on get started. It should redirect you to this page, flow.polar.com/start, my bad. And once you're on this page, as you can see, we have two options. We have download for Windows and download for Mac. Since I'm using the Windows device, Windows computer, I'm gonna download the application for Windows. So I'm gonna click download for Windows. And as you can see, the application downloaded. That was quite quick. Once it's done downloading, you should see the pop-up that the application is done downloading, and you can click on it right here. If you don't have the pop-up, just simply go to the folder you downloaded the application to and double click on it to open it. So let's open the application, the executable basically. And once you open it, you should see this window. You can click right here to accept the agreements, then click next. And here you can change the path in which the application will be installed, basically the folder if you want to. You can click on browse and change the path if you want to. I'm just gonna install it in the default one rather. So I'm gonna click next. And let's wait until it's done installing. And after the application is done installing, you have option to launch it after you click finish. You can uncheck it or check it if you want. I'm gonna check it and click finish, and the application should automatically open. And here it is, the Polar Flow Sync application. Let's wait until it's done loading. Okay, and once you see this screen, we need to connect our watch to a computer. So we need to grab our charging cable, the USB cable for our watch, plug the watch to the cable, to the one end, and basically you need to align this red I don't know, square line or whatever is here, right here on your watch, to this red square line. Basically the watch has this cutout right here only on one side. We need to align it. So we're gonna take our charger, and it goes like this, that, to place it. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. Once you plug in the watch to one end of the charger, take the USB end of the charger and plug it into your computer. Okay. As you can see, the watch is charging now. Basically, this means that it got power from the computer, and the app should detect our watch. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, it detected our watch, and will also redirect you to this page. Basically, you can set up the product on the Polar Flow, but you don't need to do it if you want only to factory reset your watch. If you want to customize some settings on your watch and stuff like that, you can do it. Basically, register or log in into a Polar Flow account and add your watch to the account. I'm just gonna minimize this and bring up the app right here. And in the app, you should see this screen. Basically, that means that your watch is connected to a computer. Or maybe if you're not doing it for the first time, it's gonna look different. But basically, it should tell you that the watch is connected to your computer. Once it does, you can click right here on the settings icon. And right here we have the factory reset option. Click on it, on this button. Then click on yes to confirm. and wait until the resetting process is complete. It might take a while, so let's wait. During the resetting, remember to not unplug your watch, because if you do, it might damage your device. So do not disconnect it from your computer. Keep it connected until you see the message that the factory reset is complete, basically. And once you see the screen, factory reset done, you can unplug your watch from your computer, like this, and you can close the app. And as you can see on the watch, we see the list of languages. This means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.